Hey there, my name is Dr. Adam Saenz. I'm a licensed psychologist and a licensed specialist in school psychology. And man, I'm so excited to invite you to join me and the rest of the amazing faculty and staff at Region 7 Education Service Center. We're gonna have a lot of fun together, a lot of learning, a lot of interaction, a lot of discussion, and a lot of fun will be had. So again, my name is Dr. Adam Saenz. I'm a licensed psychologist, an L.S.S.P also, and man, I can't wait to see you in July. Take care.